Hi, I'm Mario, the president of the Django CMS Association and an avid supporter of Django CMS. In my daily work life, I help companies and other organizations to successfully implement CMS-based website projects. In my experience, the key to every CMS project is providing a great user experience to the website editors. What's setting Django CMS apart from other content management systems? Firstly, the front-end editing is very intuitive for editors. Editors can change content while browsing just like a normal website visitor. It's magic. Secondly, the ability to add CMS editability to other applications. Editors can work in, let's say, a blog or in the customer portal application the exact same way as they do on normal CMS pages. It's the same editor experience everywhere, across your whole ecosystem, very easy for editors. I'm very happy to give you a demo of Django CMS anytime. Get in touch.
Hi, my name is Joel and I'm the secretary of the Django CMS Association. I would like to take some time to answer a frequently asked question. Why is the Django CMS Association necessary and so important? Well, I can talk for hours about the importance of the Django CMS Association. Therefore, I will summarize the most important findings. First of all, it is important to unite the Django CMS Association under one roof. The Django CMS Association is a non-profit organization that anyone who has an interest in Django CMS can join. For example, individual developers, digital agencies that are creating amazing web applications for their customers, or any organization that uses Django CMS and works with Django CMS. With the Django CMS Association, we have a reliable and solid structure that is led and managed by experienced experts in the Django world. The board of directors, in cooperation with the executive staff and the technical committee, makes sure that the interests of all members of the Django CMS Association are heard, understood, and considered. It's even better, all members can vote at the annual General Assembly and decide on important agenda items like Django CMS roadmap, the budget approval, and election of board members. The Django CMS Association is a non-profit organization and fosters collaboration. Additionally, the Django CMS Association is important to continue to innovate Django CMS and to ensure its continuous development. With the passion, commitment, and contribution of all members of the Django CMS Association, we will successfully defend our title as the best open source CMS and gain even more market shares. We can only do that with the community, with Django CMS Association, and above all, with its members.
Hi, I'm Bhavesh. I'm the Vice President of the Django CMS Association. I get asked, how can I best contribute to the Django CMS Association? So here's your answer. The best way to contribute to the Django CMS Association is to join as a member. Your membership will not only help to fund the DCA, but also develop the Django CMS product. There are also other different ways you can contribute to the association, such as helping develop the Django CMS codebase, attending events that we hold, and being an active member of the community, whether that's helping someone with the codebase or answering questions about the features of the product.